guys, get ready with me to go camping. We are going in an hour and I look like this. And all my skincare and makeup has already been packed. The only good skincare products that I have left that I'm not taking is this Bioma cleanser, because I don't have like a tap to wash it off with, so I can't take it. Makeup today will be this perfume, this blush, this palette. Oh yeah, and OTD crop top that I got on holiday, cycling shorts. I've got no socks on, 2 rings. My hair's a mess. Let's start with my hair, even though I've already packed my hairbrush. We're not making loads of progress. We did it. I think my ponytail's going back in that bun. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Come back to putty.